you doing, Bob?
Alright.
Hi. Kids Day at the firehouse.
Oh gosh, it looks like it's too early. What time are you going to send it?
Okay, go ahead. You want me to help? You want to climb down? I didn't figure people would want to use hot dogs for
breakfast, no. Probably not. There's cookie and crunch inside.
What do you think, Mike? You think it's pretty cool? No? Not too cool? You want to go over to that house with me and see what's going on? No?
But where's Ashley's dad?
He's home with Ashley. What do you think, Bob? Tell me what that is. Tell me what it is, Bob. Bobby? What is that? What kind of truck? A fire engine?
Look at that.
Who's that? That's the crash dummy.
What?
He's the crash dummy. You know what a crash dummy is? They use him in pretend accidents to make sure the cars and seats are safe.
Okay. Off you go. You want to go back inside?
I have a plane. We don't have a safety wheel.
Oh, Al. The door open, sweetie. Today we're driving the door open.
I got the hood there.
Strap over the bar.
Hi, Dorothy. Excuse me. There he goes. Hi, Bob. What do you think? You want to wash it and wax it? Where'd you go? How do they clean it? Yeah. Would be a pretty big job, don't you think? Can you brush his hair to the side? Let me see. How do you do that? What do you think they do up there when the truck is moving?
I don't know.
I think they probably get strapped in. You see the seat belts?
Yeah.
So it makes sure they're safe.
Standing up?
Sitting down probably. I think some of them stand up though. I'm not sure.
Down here.
Mommy, he's the one on that sword movie.
Is he in a sword movie?
Yeah.
He's a crash dummy. Hi, Bob.
So yeah.
You look very serious. You want to go in the fire? Hi. What's your name?
Christina.
Christina. You're having fun? How old are you? 6. So you're going into 1st grade? Wow. In Wolfley? So you just finished kindergarten then? Was that fun? Did you have a fun year? Michael's going to kindergarten next year.
Okay, come on, Shane.
Bye. Okay.
We have a camcorder and we just... Do you think that they will let it go? Okay, come on out.
Just don't touch any buttons.
He doesn't want me to drive it.
I got one here. What else do you need to be set? I'm set. Need food cooked. Got it. Need help, Mike?
Bye.
We're gonna go over to the firehouse.
What are you doing?
Driving the thing.
There we go.
Good work.
I'm gonna go see what my birds do.
Do you want to go climb up that ladder?
No, I'm not doing it yet.
You don't have to. I just thought it might be fun. Do you want to try on that jacket and hat?
No.
Okay. Don't touch anything in there.
Good girl.
Okay, well, I think it's time for us to hit it.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama. You see it?
No, I can't see you. Show me a happy face.
You don't want to?
Want to get up there with Kyle and look at the fire truck?
Hi, guys.
You know, you can go in that house and not climb the ladder. You can just go in the bedrooms. Do you want to do that?
Hey, you want me to hold the pencil? Okay.
You could just walk up the stairs and go in the bedroom. Do you want to try that?
Kyle. Hey, Kyle.
Daddy will come with you. I'll come with you. Okay. Come on down. You need help getting down or you're okay? Pretty high up there in a fire truck, huh? Kind of like the motorhome.
This is higher than the
Yeah, you can sit
Is
down.
it?
You want to go look inside? Come here.
I was inside.
Were you inside there?
Yep.
Is it pretty neat?
Yeah.
Come here, Kyle. You want to go look? Go look right there.
But it's way too big.
You need help getting down, Mike?
This height,
That's
but
right.
they made it
See it?
Let's go find Dad and Bobby.
Oh, Mommy.
He wanted you to bring him in. I offered, but he wanted you to bring him in. I offered, but he wanted you to bring him in.
Hey, Ryan. Want to go inside the fire station? Okay, here we go. It's full. Hey!
I don't know. Want it?
Yeah, throw it back to Daddy.
You want it, Bobby?
Good throw.
I want the blue batch.
Ready? Don't close your eyes.
Let's go, Daddy.
Oh, missed.
My turn. I got the ball. Mama!
Come on, Bob. Here you go. Here you go.
I want to get a turn, Daddy. I ain't turn.
Give Bobby a little time, sir. Ready? Ready, Bob? Okay, ready?
Oh, no, you gotta swing the bat. You gotta swing the bat.
Bobby,
Here, wait. Let me show you. Mikey pitched one in for us. Let me help you. Let me just help you.
See if you can
Okay.
make this one.
All right, forget it. Bobby doesn't want me to help him. That's kind of fast.
Here. Come, Mama. Come, Daddy.
Okay.
Now, what about me, Dad?
One more for Bobby and then Mikey's turn.
Mike,
Go back.
Michael.
Ready, Bob?
Bobby likes that purple bat.
You ready?
What was that?
That
Ready,
soft
Bob?
purple bat.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Go look for it.
Oh! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it, Bob!
Good throw. This is our wonderful
Okay, I'll
July
throw.
weather. Everyone's in long pants.
Oh!
It's probably about 65 degrees. At least it's not raining. Great, great summer we're having here.
Can't even find it.
Let's see if we can get a shot of Mikey hitting a home run, and then I'll go finish dinner.
Okay, we gotta get Bobby.
Bobby, where's the big bat?
Bobby, get the big red bat.
The big bat.
Good throw. Let's find the purple bat. Come on, Mike, let's find the purple bat. Where's the purple bat?
I don't know. There's a purple ball.
Michael? I'm sitting here not saying a thing. I've got it all on tape and I can play it back and punish you later. Both of you. I want to see you cooperate, please.
I'm not even giving me the blue badge.
I understand that's your favorite bat, but he sees you hitting it all the time and he never gets a chance.
Let Daddy try.
There's a long box on the floor where the bats were in.
Let Daddy try the bat.
Not on
Ready? Okay, ready?
Oh.
Hey, Bobby. Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton.
Good throw.
Bobby.
Yeah, I see the kitty cat.
Bobby. Clinton. No, you're not going to do it. He says not Clinton.
Ready? Okay, let's give Mikey a turn.
Bill Clinton.
Mikey's turn, Bob. Here. Mikey's turn.
I got to go check that pork.
I'll go check it then, and if he's not ready.
See him. Open. Let's go. There he goes running in our house.
Stay in, Michael.
I want to see him.
Stay inside, Michael.
I'm trying to look at him.
Damn dog.
I'm busy, Mama. I'm trying to... Gotta get my head. Oh, he's gone, Mama.
He went
He's
home.
gone, Mom.
He went home. How many warnings does it have to be?
Still.
Hi, Bobby. What do you have there? You have a blue balloon?
Mama,
Yeah.
I have some pink.
I'm coming to see.
Mama.
I'm going to video from up here. Show me your balloons. What kind of balloons are they?
And pink.
What kind of balloons are they?
And red.
You're telling me the colors, but what's inside those balloons?
Water.
Water. So what kind of balloons are they?
Water balloon.
Yeah. What do we usually put inside balloons?
Air.
Uh-huh.
I like the water balloons better.
What do you do with a water balloon? Yeah, they might pop on the grass. Sometimes the grass is sharp and it pops a balloon. How many do you have left? Just 3 left?
Yep.
So if I give you 2 more balloons, how many balloons will you have?
4.
Count it. You have 3, let me see 3 fingers. And if I give you 2 more, let's see 2 more fingers on the other hand. Count them. How many would there be? So 3 plus 2 equals?
5.
Excellent. Now you have 3 balloons. What if
Give me one more, Mama.
if I give you 1 more, how many will you have?
I'll have 6.
You have 3 balloons. If I give you 1 more, how many will you have?
6
3.
plus 2 is 1.
You're playing games with me now,
3
huh?
plus 2 is 1, Mama.
3 minus 2 is 1.
Mama, if you give me one more balloon, then that's it.
Then what do you mean that's it?
Can you give me the balloon?
That's Bobby's.
You can have one of mine.
Well, that would be up to him.
What?
That would be up to him if he wanted to trade. You got your bike in the pool, Bob?
No.
This pool up here is warm water. We brought warm water in from the house.
No.
That one is icy cold water.
Bobby, here.
And we are waiting
Bobby.
for the sun
Here.
to warm that pool. It has been beautiful weather these past few days. Into the 90s. Cool at night. Too bad we had to wait till August for it.
Mama,
Yes, Mike.
it's all right with Bobby. He's got the pink one now.
He doesn't mind?
No.
Okay.
Look,
Okay.
I got the blue. But where's the blue?
Now, let me see your fingers. You have 3 balloons. Let me see 3 fingers. And if I give you 4 more balloons, let's see, 4 fingers on the other hand. 4 plus 3 equals,
What?
count them. 4, let me see 4. Let me see 3 on the other hand. Count
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
4 plus 3 equals,
7.
very good.
Can you give me 7 more?
7 more, I'll be in there all afternoon blowing up balloons. Now, pretend you had 7 balloons and I took away 1 balloon. How many would you have?
I have 2. 2.
7, whoops, Bobby popped his.
How come?
I think it was an accident.
How'd he do it? How'd he do it,
Yeah.
Mama?
Hey, Bobby, did your balloon pop?
No. No?
No, what happened?
I'll give him 1 more.
Aw, isn't that nice? Bobby's balloon popped, so Mikey, his very big brother, who always makes us proud, is being generous and giving his brother another one. Here, Bob.
Might be a balloon.
Here's a balloon for you. Are you afraid of it now? Uh-uh.
No?
No? How old are you, Bob?
2.
2. Will you count for us?
He'll take it.
Will you count for us, Bob? 1.
So, do you want to do it or not, Bob?
Yes, he does want it.
I don't think he does.
Ah, Bob, get that out of your mouth. Michael, take that away from him. Can you reach it?
Where is it?
That rubber. Can you reach it? The other little piece, too.
Where?
Right there.
Want balloon, Bobby?
Whoop. I see your belly.
I have 2 more left, Mama.
2 left.
Hey, Mama.
Thanks,
Here.
thanks, Bob.
Mommy, we want you to hold it.
Thank you. Hey, Bobby. I love you.
Balloon, Mama.
Bobby, I love you.
I'm showing the balloon. Is my bubble and have?
The bubble have what?
Mama, can you give Bobby his balloon?
Here's your balloon, Bobby.
He wants a balloon.
Here, Bob, here's your balloon.
Bobby. I think he wants to take all of mine, but I won't let him.
No, he can't have
Give it
them
to me,
all.
Mama.
Well, he can have 1 though, can he? Let's count together. 1.
Mama, can I have a... Bobby, I took a balloon. I want a balloon and a half.
I want a bobble and a half.
These balloons are icy cold.
I think it means the bobble wants to have that balloon.
Bobby, these balloons are icy cold.
Here, Bobble. Your balloon is up here if you want it. I'm going to set it right here on the table for you. Okay?
Hey, Mama, I'm sleeping with those 2 balloons. Hey, Mama.
In your bed?
Yeah. Hey, Mama.
Thank you. What do you want me to do with this? You just want Mikey's balloons, huh?
Well, you can't have mine, Mama. Mikey? Mama, give the balloon to me.
No, this is his. I'm going to let it float in his water.
Okay. But does it have any grass in it? Hey!
Hey,
That's right.
can I see you splash?
Oh, I see that.
Can I see you splash?
No!
Please? Throw the balloon, Bobby. Throw it. Splash.
And the bubble is blue. Mama? Maggie? Maggie? Papa? And the bubble
Don't let the water out, Mike. Don't let that water out, honey. Later on, when it gets warm, I'll put the slide in there for you. So you could slide and go splash. Is it getting any warmer? Well, while I have the video camera out, why don't you sing a song for me?
Maggie. B, C, D, Maggie. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Maggie. S means fall, Mama. Maggie. Q, R, S.
Bobby, do you want to go down there?
W, X.
What are you doing, Mike?